Who is Warren Buffett? He is an American business magnate, investor, and philanthropist. Born in 1930, he is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors in the world. Buffett is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, a multinational conglomerate holding company based in Omaha, Nebraska. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett has amassed a considerable fortune through his shrewd investment decisions and long-term value investing approach. He has consistently ranked among the wealthiest individuals globally and has pledged to donate the majority of his wealth to philanthropic causes. Buffett is renowned for his humility, simplicity, and down-to-earth demeanor. He is admired for his exceptional business acumen and his ability to identify undervalued companies with strong potential for growth. His investment philosophy emphasizes patience, disciplined analysis, and a long-term perspective. Beyond his success in the world of finance, Buffett is also known for his commitment to philanthropy. In 2006, he pledged to gradually donate his fortune to charitable organizations, primarily through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Buffett is a strong advocate for responsible capitalism and has often shared his wisdom and insights on various aspects of life and business. Discover the timeless wisdom and success principles of one of the world's most renowned investors and business magnates, Warren Buffett. In this captivating video, renowned entrepreneur and motivational speaker Evan Carmichael presents Warren Buffett's top 10 rules for success. From his investment strategies to his mindset, these rules are invaluable lessons that can inspire and guide you on your own journey to success. Rule 1. Find your passion. Warren Buffett emphasizes the importance of finding and pursuing your passion. Discover how he encourages individuals to follow their interests and build a career around what they love. Rule 2. Have a competitive advantage. Learn how Warren Buffett advises people to develop a competitive advantage in their chosen field. Discover the key factors that can set you apart and help you achieve long-term success. Rule 3. Read. Discover why Warren Buffett is a firm believer in the power of reading. Explore his recommended reading habits and how continuous learning can unlock new opportunities and insights. Rule 4. Have a margin of safety. Explore Warren Buffett's approach to risk management and investing. Understand the concept of a margin of safety and how it can protect your investments and business ventures. Rule 5. Be consistent. Learn about the importance of consistency in Warren Buffett's success. Discover how he maintains a disciplined approach to decision-making and how you can apply this principle in your own life. Rule 6. Be patient. Warren Buffett is known for his long-term investment approach. Explore the power of patience and how it can lead to greater success and wealth accumulation. Rule 7. Avoid debt. Discover why Warren Buffett advises individuals to avoid unnecessary debt. Learn how to manage your finances and make smart financial decisions that can contribute to your long-term success. Rule 8. Invest in yourself. Explore Warren Buffett's belief in investing in yourself. Discover the importance of personal development, continuous improvement, and expanding your skills and knowledge. Rule 9. Stay away from investments you don't understand. Learn why Warren Buffett cautions against investing in things you don't fully understand. Discover the value of thorough research and due diligence when making investment decisions. Rule 10. Give back. Warren Buffett is known for his philanthropy and commitment to giving back. Explore his philosophy on charitable giving and the impact it can have on both personal fulfillment and societal progress. Incorporate Warren Buffett's timeless wisdom and rules for success into your own life and professional endeavors. Apply these valuable lessons to build a solid foundation for achieving your goals and reaching new heights of success. Embrace the mindset and strategies of a true investment guru and unlock your full potential. Good luck.